First and foremost, you need to use our pre-flash cleanser. I shouldn't have called it a cleanser. I should have called it a treatment because it is a treatment. It gets your skin ready for the treatment. You will not have the same result if you don't use pre-flash. It takes all the oil out of your skin and gets it ready. The other thing you want to remember is you want to hold the device at a 45-degree angle. So the actual like plastic right next to the edge is going to rest on your face. And then you're just going to hold your skin taut with the finger from the opposite hand and do short, feathery strokes. That's it. I mean, other than that, you can go in, out, up, down. There's no wrong way to flash. My favorite sound is that crunching, because what I'm doing is I'm taking away the top layer of anything that's in my way, but I cannot, okay, I'm sorry. Can you see that? You can't, so I'm going to show you.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Right? You're a little kitten. Little fur ball. Oh, and I forgot to put my glasses on. And you can feel, it feels good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the only thing, you have a little blemish, and we're not going to go over that. That's the only thing you don't want to do is go over anything active, because although there's a safety cage around this, there is a blade, and so common sense always just has to prevail. Beautiful. It never gets old, ever, ever, ever. It's just unbelievable. And what you'll see is you're going to look glowy and dewy and radiant. The thing that I think is so amazing about Dermaflash, quite honestly, it empowers you to feel good in your own skin, to take your skincare concerns into your own hands, on your own schedule. And what I see with women is it makes them more confident. They feel better in their own skin. And when you feel better about the way you look, when you look better, you feel better. When you feel better, there's nothing you can't do. So we even do the forehead. It's an area that I think is somewhat neglected, but we have dead skin cells, and we have built up debris, and we have, like you'll see, I'm gonna kind of leave this so you can you see the skin? It's just skin. Okay, so easy breezy. Then the most fun part of the whole thing, we have a little indentation here. It's a safety edge. You're not gonna cut yourself, but why would you touch it? So when you're done, you just go, boop. You have to say, boop, or it doesn't work. Because that's what makes it fun. And then we're just going to finish with a little post flash, which I love the texture, and it's just really yummy ingredients that make you feel rebalanced, rehydrated. And what I find is that people don't want to put on makeup right after their flash because they look so beautiful and glowy and lit from within. Beautiful.